We go through the nice curve at the Mohegan.
I remember that curve. Which way you want to go?
I guess I'll go this way. You guys didn't even fly fast enough. You know that nice sharp left-hander when you come off the highway?
Yeah. I remember.
One of the best turns in all of North. Jose's probably like, what the hell are you talking about? Oh, what the fuck hit me?
That was a fucking bat. A bat? I'm pretty sure you got hit by a bat.
Oh my god, hit me in the right shoulder.
Yeah, it was huge. Yeah. You saw it? No. I didn't see it. It was huge.
I wonder if I got it on the GoPro.
Yeah.
I was recording.
You were recording?
Yeah. Are you talking about? Oh, what the?